guys, welcome to my channel Remedy Home. Today I am sharing with you a very special home remedy. This remedy is related to weight loss and this is a tea, Guava leaf tea remedy. This tea will reduce your belly fat very effectively and fastly. And these ingredients are very simple. You only need 8 to 10 guava leaves and 1 lemon, 1 spoon honey. Water. Making is very simple. First of all, take a bowl and add water and guava leaves in it and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. After boiling, you will see the water color turn to red like this. And strain out the water and put some honey, 1 teaspoon honey and 1 lemon and mix it well, and the tea is ready for drink. For best results, take it in morning with empty stomach, and within a week you will see a magical results. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video. Bye bye. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.